Yes, even the human beings, some people cannot be enlightened. Enlightened. According to the Buddha teaching, we can classify the three kinds of people. We call three root people, two root people, and we call no root people. Root referring to the hetu condition, root condition. There are 6 roots conditioning about the mind. Do you know about them? 6 roots. 3 roots are negative roots for the mind, and 3 roots are positive roots for the mind. Greed root, greedy mind root, greed root, anger root, and the delusion root. Greed, anger, and delusion can condition to every one or every animals. But for the positive root, cannot be tree to all. And the greed, and the anger, and the delusions. Some people are not interested in spirituality or meditation or deep thinking. For those people, we say two-root people. They interested in donation and helping others, volunteering, but they do not interested in Abhidhamma, like that, deep thinking or spirituality. So for them, their mind state is rooted intrinsically is anti-greed and anti-anger. Anti-delusion root cannot be supported for their mental state. But some people are rooted by 3 conditions: anti-greed, anti-anger, anti-delusions. But some people are no root. No root means rulers. Rulers mean no roots mean 2, 3, anti-anger, anti-delusion, and
this could be full enlightenment.
And the delusion roots cannot support for their mind, because at the moment of beginning of his life, normally we have the first mind for this life. We call Patisandhi. We call the relinking consciousness. That is the first mind, beginning of our mental process in this life. This mind arising is not rooted by the greed, the anger, and the delusion. That is called no rooted person, no rooted mind. So, for the animal state or animal beings, any kinds of animals are rooted with anti-greed and rooted with we call no root consciousness starting in their life. So that's mean this make for the animals or some people who start with that mind with no root consciousness, cannot be enlightened or cannot interested in spirituality and meditation. And so for them, they are very hard to happen, and the greed mind and also and the anger mind during the lifetime happening. So normally Animals are very hard to happen, and the greed mind and the delusion mind, comparing with the human beings, because they are first mind, relinquishing consciousness is starting with no root mind.
So people who are very attached to the animals, for example, people who deal with animals, work with animals, take care of animals, or slaughter animals, or have a pet.
Kill animal.
So,
Slaughter.
yeah, also. Or somebody has a little cat, for many years gets very attached. And when you die and you maybe see a dog sitting next to your bed, you think, oh, nice dog. You can be reborn as a dog.
Yes, in one story, one person is killing or slanja, the pigs,
Yeah, not only killing, also if you have too much compassion for animals. Yeah? So this is a very strong attachment to animals, and you feel with the animal and everything. So it's a big part of the mind, so you can influence your like the native Indians in America, they used to identify themselves with animals, like running wolf, my name is running wolf, or sorry eagle, then you think, oh, I'm like an eagle, I'm like a wolf.
Yes, at the Buddha age, Buddha saw 2%. They identify themselves, cow and dog. Cow and dog, and they practice like cows and dog habits. One day they saw the Buddha. They asked the Buddha whether their practice are perfect or not for enlightenment. Buddha denied their question. He don't want to answer about their question, but they asked again to answer. Buddha denied 3 times. He don't want to answer because that will cause very sadness to them.
But in India, the cow, for example, is holy because they believe that a cow is the next stage to become a human again.
Yes. Buddha replied finally, if you practice like a dog, next time you will become the dog. If you act like the cow, or you practice like a cow, you will become the cow, because that is also conditioning. So they cry because they practice a lot throughout their lives. Normally in Myanmar language is about the animals, in Pali is Tarasan. Do you know about it? Animals in Pali is Tarasan. Teresa means three means 3 things they emphasize. Normally animals emphasize only 3 things, so we say 3. 3 is ti reason. So what are they? They emphasize only for eating, sleeping, and sex. So sometimes the parents school their children, if you emphasize sleeping only, eating only, and for sex, you are look like the animals.
Lazy animals.
The The Panlone dogs, they're always on a mission. They've always you look at them most of the time, got somewhere to go and something to do.
Especially
the mouse.
In the night.
The dogs, yeah. The dogs who live here, they're always out and going somewhere doing